Hello, welcome everybody to Body Transformation Challenge, alright? Today we have to talk about the most important part of the program, 80% nutrition. And today we're going to make a beautiful shakes. First of all, you need to have water, alright? You pour in about 300 to 400 ml of water, okay? You can personalize it to your preference. Right, for me, I would like to put it at 350 ml. Alright, now the first thing you have to add in the Formula 3, a personalized protein powder. So how you going to add in? You put in 2 scoops of this Formula 3. Alright, 1 scoop of this, add in 1 and add in 2. Alright, 2 scoop of the Formula 3. You close it up. Time for a shake. Shake it up. Shake it. Alright. Wow. Now we can check what's happened to this. Wow. It's very nice. Now it's time to add in the Formula 1. Okay, this is the Nutritious powder. It gives you all the nutrition your body needs. Protein, fiber, and the complex carbohydrates, okay? Add in 2 heaping spoons. 2 heaping spoons of this. Alright. Close it up. And shake it well again, alright? Just shake it as hard as you can. Okay? Exercise your arm at the same time. This goes together either with the Formula 1 shake or with the 24 protein. This is your best after your workout, alright? Cheers!